बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, अलकरम स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स पे आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं। मेरा नाम मोहसिन अकरम है। इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स की आप इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख लें। द सिटी ऑफ रावलपिंडी सर्व्ड एज पाकिस्तान टेम्प्रेरी कैपिटल फ्रॉम 1963 से लेकर 1967 तक। जब इससे पहले के इस्लामाबाद बना, उससे पहले रावलपिंडी को 1963 से लेकर 1967 तक एज अ टेम्प्रेरी कैपिटल के तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया गया। द ट्रीटी ऑफ गंडमार्क इन 1879 1879 gave British control over Afghan foreign affairs, affecting what is now Pakistan's border. The Sialkot battle during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, one of the largest tank battles in the history. The first Pakistan-Bangladesh Test cricket series took place in 1979 after the creation of Bangladesh in 1971. The shrine of Abdullah Shah Ghazi in Karachi is one of the oldest and most visited Sufi shrines in Pakistan. The Kalabagh Dam, proposed mega dam project on the Indus River, has been the subject of political debate for decades. The Attak Oil Company was the first oil एक्सप्लोरेशन कंपनी इस्टेब्लिश इन पाकिस्तान कब 1913 के अंदर। अटक ऑयल कंपनी सबसे पहली कंपनी थी जो इस्टेब्लिश हुई थी मॉडर्न डे पाकिस्तान के की जगह पे। द चागी वन न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट वर कंडक्टेड बाय पाकिस्तान इन 1998 एट द रास्को हिल्स इन बलोचिस्तान। द काराकोरम हाईवे was completed in 1978, linking Pakistan to China through Khunjra Pass. The Sindh Assembly was the first legislature in British India to pass a resolution in favor of Pakistan in 1943. The Sui gas field discovered in 1952 remains Pakistan's largest natural gas field. The Qaid-e-Azam University in Islamabad, established in 1967, is one of Pakistan's top public research universities. The Lahore-Islamabad M2 motorway, completed in 1997, is the first motorway built in Pakistan. The Chakwal district is known for its historical association with the Salt Range. The city of Gujranwala is named after the Gujar tribe, which settled in the region centuries ago. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 and 1948 was the first armed conflict between India and Pakistan over Kashmir. The Deosai National Park, located in GB, is known as the land of giants due to its vast plateaus. The Frontier Works Organization FWO was established in 1966 के अंदर FWO established हुई थी to manage Pakistan major construction projects including the Karakoram Highway. Unfortunately, I don't know what should I say. The National Institute of Health NIH in Islamabad was founded. कब NIH established हुआ था 1965 के अंदर to provide the research and medical services. The K2 mountain, also known as the Savage Mountain, is the second highest peak in the world, located in Pakistan. The Atabad Lake in Gilgit-Baltistan was formed कब 2010 के अंदर after massive landslides blocked the Hunza River. तो उससे जब वो हुंजा रिवर एक लैंडस्लाइड से ब्लॉक हुआ तो ये लेक बन गई थी. The Hala pottery in Sindh is known for its distinctive blue and white ceramic designs. The Kyoda salt mines were first discovered by Alexander the Great troops in 320 BCE. The Multan International Airport was originally established a military airfield in 1930 के अंदर. The ancient Buddhist site of Takhte-Bahi in KPK is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Pakistan International Airlines PIA was first airline in the world to fly a jet liner over the Himalayas. The University of Agriculture Faisalabad was established कब 1961 के अंदर. ये आया हुआ PPC के अंदर. ये यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर 1961 के अंदर इस्टेब्लिश हुई थी and is one of the oldest agriculture universities in South Asia. The Mangala fort was built by the Dogra rulers and is located near the Mangala Dam. The city of Hyderabad in Sindh is named after the Prophet Muhammad's cousin Ali ibn Abi Talib, also known as Haidar. The city of Bahawalpur is one of the capital of princely state of Bahawalpur, which acceded to Pakistan in 1947. The Sibbi district in Balochistan is famous for its annual livestock fair, also known as Sibbi Mela. इसके अंदर काफ़ी ज़्यादा जानवर मवाशी वगैरह लाए जाते हैं. The Clifton Beach in Karachi is one of the most popular beaches in Pakistan. The Mohatta place in Karachi, built in 1927, was once a summer residence for wealthy Hindu businessmen. The Sakkar Barrage is a key structure that controls the flow of water into the canals of Sindh. The Kalar Kahar Salt Lake is located near the Salt Range in Punjab and is popular tourist destination. The Rani Kot Fort in Sindh is sometimes referred as the Great Wall of Sindh due to its enormous size. The Battle of Miani is 1843 resulted in British annexation of Sindh under the Charles Napier. The Khyber Rifles were a British Indian Army unit raised in 1878 to guard the Khyber Pass. The Bagh Ibn Qasim Park in Karachi is the largest urban park in Pakistan. The Liaquat National Memorial Library in Karachi was established in the memory of Pakistan's first Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. The Battle of Chavinda during 1965 war is considered one of the largest tank battles after the World War II. The ancient city of Sevan in Sindh is the site of the famous Sufi shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar. The Chitral Scouts is a paramilitary forces responsible for protecting the northern areas of Pakistan. The Razmak Cadet College in North Waziristan was established in 1978 to provide education to students for tribal areas. The Malir cantonment in Karachi is one of the largest military cantonments in Pakistan. The Pak-Afghan trade agreement of 1965 facilitated trade between the two countries. The Pakistan Telecommunication Authority (PTA) regulates the telecommunication services and was established in PTA कब बना था जी 1996 के अंदर. The Thal Desert is one of the 5 major deserts in Pakistan located between the Indus and Jhelum River. The river Chenab is one of the 5 rivers of Punjab flowing from India to Pakistan. The city of Abbottabad, known for the British era military academy, the Pakistan Military Academy PMA, was established in 1947. The Mughal Emperor Babur passed through Khyber Pass कब 1505 के अंदर, जब वो इंडिया को कनकोर करने आ रहा था तो खैबर पास से वो गुजरा था. तमाम तर जो कनकोर इंडिया हैं ऑलमोस्ट वो खैबर पास से ही गुजर के गए हैं.